Hi everyone, I'm Kana and I just finished week 10 of Code Platoon Software Bootcamp. Today I'll tell you a little bit about what we learned the last couple weeks, as well as what we are going to be doing in the next few weeks. So in the last few weeks we learned about React and got some more experience using React to create our front end. We also learned how to connect Django and React together to create our full stack applications. So we have created a couple full stack applications as a class and within our exercises. But now comes the hard part. In the next few weeks, we will be working on our personal projects. So everyone has their own idea about what kind of project they want to do, and we will be working on our own to create a full stack web application from start to finish. The project that I'm going to be working on is an envelope budgeting application with a few twists. One is I'm going to add currency conversion in, as well as try to use geolocation to pre-populate the transaction field to make it easier to enter transactions in daily use. I know I've learned a lot in the last 10 weeks. And I know a lot more today than I did 10 weeks ago, but I am still quite nervous about being able to finish this project and whether I have the tools I need and the ability to see it through to completion. I know that there's a lot that I don't know, and I suspect that there's a lot that I don't even know I don't know. So I'm feeling quite overwhelmed and sort of in over my head. From my past experiences though, I know that this feeling usually precedes a lot of learning and growth. So I am hoping that that is the case this time as well. And I just need to be able to trust myself to have the tools I need or be able to find them and know that I have support in case I do get stuck. We have the TAs, the instructors, and we have our fellow classmates. So this has been a very collaborative and friendly group, and we've all been willing to help each other, which has been a wonderful experience. And I'm hoping that this carries through to the job place as well. The only way I'm gonna know if I can do this project though is if I actually go and do it. So I'm gonna get started on this project. We have a few weeks to do it, and it is due at the very end of the year. So I will see you again at the beginning of 2022. I hope you have a wonderful New Year's, and I will see you then. Bye.